Welp, I can see you guys are comfortable in this calm and peaceful house. But one thing I'm very confused about, how come Tajmir Jr. isn't here? Not to be confused, but apparently, he wants you. What did the TV guys do this time? I just told them to unblock the net channels. Well, yes, he told me that he, Banjo the Woodpile Cat, and his friends were watching Boomerang when the cable block hit. Fine. I'll check it out.
Hello Xfinity. My son told me that you kinda blocked his favorite Nick channels.
The Go Animate House. Weeknights at 7. On the Mouse Mall 61 CTV just for kids.
Maybe it's because they are blind.
Are you tired of grounding your kids? Well, if you are, introducing the Ground-O-Bot.
Oh. Caillou, how dare you go to Walmart while grounded? That's it, you're grounded for 3 days.
Why,
But that's not all. Order now and get a second one absolutely free. So you won't have to suffer by grounding your kids. So order today for $99.
On the next episode of Evil Tajmir Gets Grounded.
I hate my father so much. He's a... and he won't let me do anything for the rest of my life. He's a jack. I can't wait to kill him. Oh no! It's Michael B. I must hide.
Too late.
All new Evil Tajmir Gets Grounded. New episode. Tonight at 7 p.m. only grounded Tanami on Polygon Network.
Weekdays.
This is nice having some peace and quiet time at this house, boy, I'll say.
Well, you know what they say, this house is as good as a rest.
Oh my. Looks like Tajmir got a little peeps clone of him. I best say hi.
Every day is a good day. And the Go Animate House is good.
Hello there.
Oh, why hello there.
I see that Tajmir had left you here.
Well, he went to the store.
Is this the place?
Who are you?
I'm Tomo 2. Spyro the Animator's friend.
Wow, is it your first time here?
Yes. It's my first time being with you at the Go Animate House.
I'm getting talkless.
The Go Animate House. Every day at 9 a.m.
Right here on the Mouse Mall 61. Check your local listings.
See the Go Animate House every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. on Randomars Network, making family fun.
Man, sissy, this food is gross.
Yeah, Joey, that is gross. Yuck.
Don't worry guys, I have food for you. Oh boy, what's it called? It's called the Scottos. The cereal. Wow, that's cool.
You're right, Joey. Let's eat it.
Scottos. The cereal. Get it now. It is $3.99. Hey Bart. What is it, blue? But I have a Butterfinger.
Can I have one?
No, you can't have my Butterfinger.
Ouch! That hurts really bad.
Crispity. Crunchy. Peanut buttery Butterfinger.
Good morning viewers, welcome to the Mouse Mall 61 CTV just for kids, where you can watch your favorite kid shows from your childhood. Enjoy your entertainment. Tajmir plays and does games. Encourage teens and preteens to not give up, always be your best, while helping your skills about the games around you.